random dude?
Yes, some random ass. I don't know him. And he want to defend his. He want to come after me. No, so I put him in a chokehold.
What did she do to you?
We all.
Put the dude in the chokehold?
Yes, he got onto the ground and I put him in a chokehold. I have PTSD from that.
Northwest Ohio. A venue. A night out. 5 strangers who would all end up in handcuffs for reasons that started with a jello-shot.
Yes, he got onto the ground and I put him in a chokehold. So you're gonna make me tweak the out, bro. No!
Oh God!
Did my ring hurt? I don't know because you. I bet it did.
Yeah.
You saying all that, but my ring hurt. I bet. Stop talking to me.
Don't talk to her.
You guys still live in Tiffin.
Sorry.
Oh, so you hit?
Yeah.
We got your ID?
I did hit.
Okay. Let's get your ID.
You didn't see me?
There's a lot of things going on. I grabbed the 2 people who looked like they were the most problem.
Because she started swinging and the dude hit. And he came up.
I don't even know
Did the dude take off? Is the dude still around?
He left too fast.
Went that way?
Did he leave? I don't even know. He
She
must
said she
have
was by
left.
herself, so I don't know.
No, she was not. I'm so sorry. I'm not meaning to yell at you. I'm not meaning to. Okay, can you
She was with me. We're still trying to figure everything out. Who's all involved? What's going on? What started the fight?
I was inside eating.
Okay. What was it? Someone say something?
Business or just on
Did someone say something?
Just on the street.
Someone say something? Like what started the fight?
The guy, I don't know. The guy that she was with, I don't even know him. I don't even from here. Came out talking about he's selling jello-shots. She said, "Who the is this you're talking?" I don't know if it's her boyfriend. She got jealous. Who the is this you're talking to? We're like, we don't even know him. Next thing you know, on me. I don't know where when he came on talking to us about he's selling jello-shots. Started swinging on us like because he's talking to all of us. She just went up, started swinging on me, and then that's when y'all came up. I don't know what the happened.
So,
I don't know neither one of them. Not even from here.
Gotcha. Was it just her that swung on you?
Yeah. Yeah. Nobody else.
Okay. Like I said, I can see you get a pretty good bruise there. Looks like a couple scratches. Anywhere else hurt?
No.
I know you can kind of say it's just to protect your friend or whatever, but
No, but I totally get that.
yeah, we gotta separate part of it.
I know there's we was literally eating, about to leave and go back home, back to Finley, and then he done walked up in here talking about selling jello shots. There's cameras, you guys can probably fucking see it on the cameras that he came in here talking about he's selling jello shots. Walk outside to leave, and then she's like, "Who the you're talking to?" I'm guessing that's maybe her girlfriend, I don't know, but I mean her boyfriend, I don't know.
Is that the first you saw him then too? Like
yeah,
you guys were in a bar drinking earlier, and then he happened to walk in again, saw you here. Okay. Gotcha.
We didn't even see him at the bar though.
Gotcha. Okay.
He came in here and yeah.
Okay.
How is he gone though? Where did he go? You guys pulled up right when he was right here. That's crazy. Wow.
Well, when there's
a lot going on.
5 to 10 people who are throwing swings, I only got 2 hands. I can't get everybody to stop.
Right.
No, thank y'all for respecting everybody and not pulling out guns, because that is the problem in this world, the gun violence and all that. I respect you, officers. We got pulled over later in the day and no guns were pulled out, nothing, so I really respect that. I really respect my friends be on hot shit sometimes, so I just respect it. No guns. Thank you so much. Y'all laughing at us. It's some real shit. Don't laugh. It's some real shit.
Ohio Revised Code, Section 291, 7.02. Aggravated Riot. 5th-degree felony. Up to 12 months per person. The statute does not ask who started it. It applies to every person who participated in a coordinated use of force.
We gotta get the next time. We gotta scratch right here.
Did all of it start outside? All of it out here? Or anything inside?
The arguing started selling jello-shots inside.
Okay, but like the actual physical fighting was all out here.
And I was like, I don't know you.
So he walked out, we was chilling inside, and then he walked back in and started saying more.
He got charges.
I was very upset.
The guy did?
I'm a witness to that.
It was already over and everything, and he literally came back in and started saying more. Can you just tell me what's going on, because I want to go.
We can't go right now.
I need my ID. Somebody took my ID.
Have you got yours back yet?
I'll give it back to you once we get all this figured
I was going to run her, but I was waiting for you to get yours back.
I tell him
My knee hurts. No, my knee hurts so bad.
Do you need to...
So am I getting in trouble for defending myself or not? Because I'm going to go. I'm cold. I'm going to go home.
I can almost guarantee that you and her are going to get tickets for sure because you both were going at it even when I was trying to pull you apart, okay?
She's literally swung on me first. I'm supposed to just let somebody beat me up?
All that stuff is something that you could contend in court, but if you guys have 5 or 6 people against her, I don't see.
Do you want them to take a look at your hand when they're done? Okay. Yeah, wait a second until they're done. I'll let them know that...
Good. All right. Hey, I'm Officer Otts, Bowling Green Police Division. Listen, we're investigating this. Come on over here for me. Cops. All right. Give me your stuff. All right. I'm gonna put it down here.
We can just
That's
hang
all right.
up.
Okay. All right. I'm putting this on the ground. Do me a favor. Turn around for me. Hands behind your back. Palms together like you're praying. Okay. Like you're praying. Like you're praying. You got it. You got it. You're getting handcuffed just for now while we figure this stuff out. Okay.
Oh, he's wait, whoa. He swung on me.
You want to stand next to her while... You stand near her while I run before we go? Okay. I still have the ID here, her ID. Can you send me a picture of Snap?
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Why is she getting
Put your hand behind your back.
Bail me out. Bail me out, nigga. You hear me?
Put your hands together like you're going to clap.
Hey, we're just figuring stuff out. Like I said, you're detained. Okay. Hey.
I'm 18. He's a man.
Okay. Relax. We're gonna figure it out. Okay.
No, you guys, no.
What's up? Tell me about it. What's going on?
He put his hands on me. What are you doing?
Okay. Well, we have camera stuff going on.
Okay, yeah, you
so we
can
can see it on camera.
You can see. You don't
Right.
have handcuffs me. Bro.
Okay.
Telling me to advertise why. No.
I want to sell jello-shots to y'all. I know you.
All right. How do you know this guy? Do you know him or you don't? Some random dude?
Yes, some random ass. I don't know him. And he want to defend his. He want to come after me. No, so I put him in a chokehold.
What did she do to you?
We all.
You put the dude in a chokehold?
Yes, he got onto the ground and I put him in a chokehold. I have PTSD from that shit. I have been beat, bro.
Okay.
No, I do not play with this shit. You're gonna make me tweak the out, bro. No.
Do you want to sit down?
No.
Okay. All right. Let it out. Let it out, girl.
No, because you guys don't understand, though. Why am I handcuffed?
Okay, right now.
Why am I
Do you
handcuffed?
want me to explain it to you or not? Do you want to talk over me?
Yeah, okay, so
okay, I'm going to
explain
explain it to you.
Explain.
Right now, you're detained because we're investigating.
She claims self-defense. Ohio Revised Code Section 2901.05 allows that claim under 3 specific conditions. Condition 1, the defendant did not create the situation. Her own statements on camera are the primary evidence against her on that point. Condition 2, the force was proportionate to the threat. A chokehold applied to a man already on the ground fails that test. Self-defense under Ohio law ends when the immediate threat ends. Force applied beyond that point is assault. Mutual combat doctrine closes the remaining gap. Participants in a mutual fight cannot claim self-defense for harm inflicted during that combat.
Investigating it. You're not under arrest right now, okay? Does that make sense? Okay. You're all right. You're going to make it. You want to sit down with your friends over here, or do you want to stay over here?
Because I'm a tweak. I have PTSD.
I totally understand that.
No. Because if I get to tweaking, then I'm actually going to be arrested.
Listen, yeah, I don't want you going to jail tonight, okay? So just relax. Chill out.
Y'all put me in handcuffs.
Okay, we did it to everybody. Look at all your friends. They're all in handcuffs, okay? It's not just you.
I know.
Okay.
No. Flip them so we wrist aren't turned. There you go.
They're looking at the camera right now.
Go home to my mom. Call Nene. Me out. Do you hear me?
It goes all the way through. This one's going to be a little bit smaller.
Call Nene right now on the phone. Why are you not calling her right now?
I didn't know you meant right.
Give me to jail for defending my fucking self. Use Ricky's phone.
Give me yours. I can call her.
I don't have. They're not letting me.
Where's your phone now? Just take it.
Can Misha's pop? Give my phone, Misha. So he can call your mom, not to tight.
No, you're good. No, I'm trying to take them off because they're too big for you. That's so I'm trying to give you a smaller pair is what I'm doing.
So I'm going to jail for some on me first.
We got cameras, so.
Can you pull my hair forward so she can do this?
We're gonna switch to. I can't.
Yeah.
So put it. Hold on a second, let me get a couple more strands so that it doesn't get stuck.
Michael, stop calling and call Nene.
He might release you here if you calm down. We don't have to call nobody.
There you go, yeah.
Call Nene too.
I cannot get
You're
this
not
one
calling
done.
Nene, bro.
Oh, you can't get it undone?
Call
It won't.
Nene. Okay, call Nene.
Try my key.
Call Nene.
So I was able to get it undone, but now it won't release.
419. You don't. You're not calling. You're on my messenger trying to go through my phone instead of calling. They just told me I'm going to jail though. They're getting
I just talked to him. He's gonna really
call, bro. I can't even rely on you to call the number when I'm telling you. You're not. You're trying to talk shit to me, bro. Can't wait till you go to jail one day. Can't wait for you.
I just talked to him. He's gonna let you go.
You're not calling.
I'm gonna call. I'm just saying he's gonna let you go anyway. So chill out.
That's crazy.
Ma'am, I'm gonna unbuckle this. Sit back. All right, come on out here for a minute.
I have
Over
to
here.
go with them regardless. I don't have a ride. They're my family. Like, I don't have a ride back to Finley, so
Kind of, yes.
this kind of hurts.
You see me?
Thank you so much, sir. I
Yep,
appreciate
she's
it
coming.
so much.
No, not yet, not yet.
What do you do?
I have to pat you down real quick.
Oh,
Just make
okay.
sure you don't have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me. No.
If
Okay.
you could,
You're good.
I'm
You're
gonna put
good.
my hair in the back too.
Do you need me to fix it for you? Does it get
No,
okay.
I'll just swing in the back so you
Okay.
can.
What's your name, ma'am? Miss, what's your name?
Sierra Carver.
Okay.
They don't have my ID. I
Sorry,
put
my
a
hands
picture
are
on my
cold.
phone
Okay.
I apologize.
because I didn't have my ID.
That's okay.
Yeah.
She has a picture of it. Come back to her. I'm gonna help you get in there, okay? Just go ahead. Just wanna make sure you don't fall. That's it. I'm gonna lean across you and put this on, okay? There's that for you, okay? I don't know if you have either one of these.
I don't think.
Sorry.
I'm not sure who this one is.
So that one doesn't have, the one yelling doesn't have her ID.
Right.
That one is this one. So you do have that one.
Okay.
That's the one that'll be behind your passenger.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
That one's here. They have her in house because this is, I guess, Andy stopped them, but she doesn't have her ID on her.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you out, girl.
I don't know who's got this one.
Like I said,
Hey,
like
TJ, you got a bomb?
200
Your dad
cameras
wants to know.
downtown. We see everything. So
Yeah, she does. Hey, Mike, get the keys.
she may or may not have.
Hey,
a
get the
bomb.
keys.
Well, no. If we charge her with a felony, she will not.
It's not a felony.
That girl just went to jail, or just went to the hospital.
Yeah, but they were initiated.
All right, we're gonna do this one at a time. Look that way for me, okay? I'm blocking you. Watch your step coming out. Okay, we're gonna go around the back of the car.
All parties were charged with aggravated riot. No distinction between who initiated and who responded. The statute does not make one. The officers get a B+. Detention versus arrest stated clearly on camera. Terry versus Ohio requires only reasonable suspicion to detain. They had it on everyone present. The only gap, the man who initiated the confrontation left before any officer documented his identity. He walked away uncharged. The ring check gets a D. Battery admission. Chokehold confession. Self-defense argument. All volunteered. None required. Each one confirmed a separate element of the charge. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent required no waiver. She needed to say nothing. She chose otherwise. Sierra Carver gets a C. Presence and participation are sufficient for aggravated riot. Cooperation affects sentencing. It does not remove the charge. Lesson 1. Self-defense is a courtroom argument. The scene is not the place to make it. Lesson 2. Every statement made during an investigation is part of the record. There is no taking it back. Lesson 3. Riot statutes apply equally to every participant. The law does not grade effort. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam analysis. Drop a comment should the self-defense claim have held up. We'll see you in the next one.
They were all charged with aggravated riot.